All right, we're gonna do this cupped roof line right here. I'm going to rip 1 inch into 16-inch strips, and I'll make my barrel out of that. Got the 16-inch sheet of 1 inch laying on the floor. It's 3.5 inches from the material over here. Same here. Flush with this plywood joint, the OSB subfloor joint. Okay, then what I did, I started to put this nail in, and I found the location, so I kept moving it up and down this line until I found the location that the same number from this corner to this corner was the same, and now I'll make my arch. 297.5. I'll scribe my arc. Grab my reciprocating saw and cut this line. Rip this plywood tacked to the back deck. Make sure you don't cut any of your deck or wherever you set it up. So this line is just off the corner of the deck, and then following it all the way through, and I'll miss my deck. It'll miss the deck the whole way. Better go pick up my rafter. Now I'll cut that, and that'll sit right on top of the rafter. Six more to go. Trace. All right. That's 9 rafters. Some of them will be getting shorter for the valley set. There they all are. All right, this is the soffit, backing, and the fascia board. This is the cutoff from the pieces that I made the rafter out of. And this will be, if I scribe this line, it's the top of the fascia, or top of the soft backing. The fascia board's 5.5 inches wide, so I'll grab a 2x6 block. Now I cut that, and I do 2 of those. All right, now I need to think because we're starting the valley portion of this. I need to think. It'll be one more full rafter. So I measured down from the peak and I found where the kink in the roof is. It goes from a 312, it's from a 312 to a 1312, and that joint is right here. That's where this here corner of this rafter has been going. Now I'll have to put some stuff in here to support this. That's not going to hold it. All right, that was a lot of gas, and unfortunately, the rafter where my saw is and the one behind it, I thought I had the camera recording, and I guess my big fat finger stopped the camera from recording. So it was a lot of guesswork. I think I got it looking pretty good. Waiting on sheeting, and then we'll start sheeting some of this. I'm going to start installing the round portion, the soffit, and the fascia. But before I start that, this here was the last truss on the wall. I sheeted it, stapled it all, so now it looks like an exterior wall from the other side. And then I took my Sawzall and ripped it all the way so it follows the arc. Alright, and you can see I nailed it on. So now, on the outside, I'll put the camera to the outside. So this here is going to be the soffit backing. And now I'm going to put blocks on here, and it'll carry the fascia. So I measured the length of a block, and it is the overhang length less my 3/4 of an inch, and my fascia board is 3/4 of an inch, so that's 1.5 inches. And I also subtract from my 3/8 sheeting. This will be the remainder of my soffit backing. This curved roof actually straightens out to a 3/12. I'll put this in at the end here. This will be the fascia board. It's actually the exact same length as that soffit piece I just put in. Here's my fascia board, ripped the exact same as this piece. Alright, there's our fascia, our rounded fascia. Let's start sheeting. All right, ran out of sheets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a little frame. I'll do a little framing now. Put some blocks here to support this. And let's see the top of my 3/4 pops up. I'm gonna put blocking in between here, just for added support. And I'll get back to sheet. All right, I put the blocks in. Now we'll continue sheeting. Staples. I forgot staples. Roof is sheeted. That went well. So this is how the arced fascia looks.